forgot you.
Classrooms cry with gunfire prayers, laughter erased, only fear in the air. News feeds preach wars, no one wins. Prophets of peace drown deep in sin. Bodies in rubble, hands holding signs. Justice is silence, truth blurred blind. Hearts wide open, chaos preferred. Calling good evil, twisting your word.
Through the chaos, through the pain, still your voice calls my name. Through the blood, through the night, you still shine in my sight.
Flags torn in half, truth sold for gold. Children traded for likes and control. Laws pass faster than hearts can breathe. Right gets flipped while the world deceives. They rewrite love, they cancel life. Erase what's holy, normalize strife. But your law stands written in stone. No man-made power can claim your throne.
Still you whisper through the storm. Set your heart where truth is born. Not on earth where flames consume, but on the rock that breaks the tomb. Through the chaos, through the pain, still your voice calls my name. Through the blood, through the night, you still shine in my sight.
They scream freedom, but chains still bind. Truth gets silenced, blind lead blind. Every headline, prophecy fulfilled. Nation to nation, blood gets spilled. But we don't fear their fading light. Remnants awake in the darkest night. Commandments rise like banners of gold. Heaven still calls every wandering soul.
Through the chaos, through the pain, still your voice calls my name. Through the blood, through the night, you still shine in my sight. Choose this day who you'll serve before the trumpets disturb. Every throne will fall to dust. Only your kingdom is left to trust.